What is the highest common factor? The HCF of 16 and 20. What is the highest common factor of 16 and 20? So that the highest common factor must be a number that can go into both 16 and 20 and at the same time and does not leave a remainder, the highest one. So that number must be smaller than 16 and 20. And it's the highest one that can go both into 16 and 20 without leaving a remainder. So to do this, we have to prime factorize both 16 and 20. So how we're going to do this is by doing what you call a factorization until when we get the prime. So we have to do this to 16 and we have to do this to 20. So let's start with 16. So to prime factorize 16, we first find the first prime number, which is 2. Remember, a prime number is a number that has only 2 factors. So prime numbers, examples of prime numbers. So you can write that there. Examples of prime numbers. Just for your knowledge. Are numbers like 2 as the first prime number. 1 is not a prime number because 1 has only 1 factor. All prime numbers have exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. So 3, 5, 7. 2 is the only even prime number. All the other prime numbers are odd. 9 is not a prime number because 9 has more than 2 factors, 1, 3, and 9. 9 has 3 factors. So 9 cannot be prime. 11, 13, 15 cannot be prime because 15 has 1, 3, 5, 15. 15 has 4 factors. So 17, 19. Next one is 29, and so forth. 31, etc. So that is why, you know, we started with 2. Because 16 is even, so 2 can go into 16. 2, so 16 can be written as 2 times 8. 2 is a 16. No. 8 now is not a prime number. So 8 itself can be written as 2 times 4. Now 4 now is not a prime number. So 4 itself can be written as 2 times 2. Okay, so 16 is actually 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. So here is 16 written as, you know, it's prime factors, prime factorization. Now we have to do this to 20 now. So let's start with 20. 20 can be rewritten as 2 times 10. Now 10 now can be written as 2 times 5. Now 5 is a prime number, so that's it for 20. 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20. So here are those two numbers, 16 and 20, written as prime factorization, prime factored. So what we want now is the highest common factor. So we have to look at what is common in 16 and 20, the highest of it. So there's a 2. And another 2. Well, not and another 2. The 2s are common. So 2, 2 is common. Okay, so we can write the HCF let's write it there instead, is equal to, now we cross out 2 and 2, so 2 is common, times. We see a 2 there and we see a 2 there. So we can cross out this 2 and cross out this 2 and put it there. That's common. What else is common? There's no more 2s that's common, and 5 is not common. So that's it. 2 times 2, 2 times 2. So it's a 2 times 2 that's common, and 2 to 4. So the highest common factor of 16 and 20 is actually 4. 4 can go into 16, and 4 can go into 20. Okay. 2 is a common factor, but it is not the highest. 2 can go into 16, 2 can go into 20, but it's not the highest common factor. It's a common factor, but it's not the highest. 2 times 2, 2 times 2, which is 4, is a common factor, and it is the highest. There is no other factor that's common that's higher than 4. Okay. So 4 is the highest common factor of 16 and 20.